Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to move tracks in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play. You have your audio recorder option right here and so on. So let's go and see how to get started with moving the tracks in our GarageBand song. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up the track section. So you can open up any of the instruments right here, it doesn't matter. I'm going to open up audio recorder. That's going to open up this recording menu, where in the upper left corner now you'll see the three buttons, and you want to click this middle button right here. Clicking the middle button is going to open up the track settings right here, where you can find the edit track mode and mastering mode, where you can find all the tracks we are using, such as our keyboard right here. We have the drums, our audio recorder, and so on. So let's go and see how we can get started moving them. Basically guys, to move your tracks, all you need to do is to just go ahead and tap on the track you want to move. So I'm going to tap this track once, and after that hold on it and move it wherever you want. You cannot move it into a track that is not of your original track. So as you can see, I'm moving an audio recording, so I can't move it into a keyboard track, but what you can do is move it into a different audio recording track and so on. This is how to get started moving it. You can transport it wherever you want, put it wherever you want, and get started mixing your tracks. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.